A GAF roof is more than shingles. It's a system. In a GAF lifetime roofing system, every component works together for strength, durability, and peace of mind. Here's how it happens. First, everything comes off, right down to the roof deck. An experienced and trusted contractor should check for damage and make repairs. Then, layers of protection go on before your new shingles. A leak barrier helps seal the most vulnerable areas against wind-driven rain and ice. Roof deck protection helps keep your roof dry and strong. Starter strip shingles go on the eaves. A powerful GAF adhesive holds your shingles tight to reduce the risk of blow-off. All that protection is the foundation for the GAF lifetime shingles you choose. And you have a lot of choices of color and style. It's beautiful, but there's more to do. Special vents at the ridge and soffits helps to reduce heat and moisture in your attic that can cause damage. Ridge cap shingles are the perfect finishing touch. They highlight and protect the ridge and hips of your GAF roof. Congratulations on your new GAF lifetime roofing system. It's all from GAF, North America's largest roofing manufacturer, with 130 years of protecting homes like yours.